let's start with chapter number 13, natural resources. In this chapter, we will study about natural resources. What are natural resources? Natural resources are the resources which are provided by nature. जो हमें किसने provide करा है? Nature ने provide करा. Now let's start with the chapter. The earth gives us many things. We use them for prosperity and growth. These resources are known as natural resources. Why these resources are called natural resources? Because they exist in nature. And the earth has provided us with many things that helps us in different ways. And our country, India, is very rich in natural resources. And my country here, India, it's very rich in natural resources. One by one, we will study about all the natural resources. First is water, which is the most precious natural resource for everyone. We use water for drinking, cleaning, washing clothes, utensils. Animals also use them for bathing, drinking. So we have different use of water. Now let's start with water. You have already learned about the uses of water in class 2. India is very rich water resources. India is surrounded by water from 3 sides. देखो जो तीनों साइड है इंडिया किससे सराउंडेड है बाय द वाटर बॉडी इंडियन ओशन बे ऑफ बंगाल अरेबियन सी देयर आर 3 मेन वाटर बॉडीज अरेबियन सी बे ऑफ बंगाल एंड इंडियन ओशन वी यूटिलाइज वाटर रिसोर्सेज फॉर many purposes and what we do we utilize water for many purpose. We get water from rivers. They are mainly of 2 kinds of river. Perennial, in which water flows throughout the year. ठीक है? And next is non-perennial, जहाँ पे जो water है वो throughout the year नहीं रहता है, ये खाली monsoon के time पे है. Now we get water from 2 rivers. What are the 2 kinds of river? Perennial river and non-perennial. Perennial, in which water remains throughout the year. Non-perennial river. In non-perennial river, water has water only during rain. Water remains only during rain. जब बारिश पड़ती है, जब rainfall होता है, तब उसमें क्या होता है? पानी होता है. It remains dry rest of the year. Some of the main rivers. Now I will tell you some main river like Ganga, Brahmaputra, Narmada, Kaveri. What are these? These are some main rivers that we see in Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Narmada, Krishna, Godavari. We also use these rivers for the purpose of producing electricity. And what we use these rivers for producing electricity. When water falls from the great height, it is used to produce electricity, and this is hydroelectricity. It is mainly produced on dams. Where it is produced? It is mainly produced on dams. And major dams are Bhakra Nagla Dam, Hirakund Dam, and Damodar Dam. What are these? These are the different types of dams that we see on the river.
Okay, please.
Next is soil, which is also a most important natural resource of the earth because it is used for growing crop. And if there will be no crop, there will be no food for the people living on the earth. Now, soil is the topmost fertile layer. Soil क्या होती है? It's the topmost fertile layer of the earth's surface. Soil is necessary to grow plants. It stores food and water. What they store? It stores food and water for the plant. And what they support their leaves. इनका क्या काम होता है? ये एक तो प्लांट्स को ग्रो करते हैं, वाटर और मिनरल ये फूड को सपोर्ट करते हैं, एंड नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट दे सपोर्ट, रूट को क्या देते हैं? सपोर्ट देते हैं. नाउ सॉइल मेड अप ऑफ लूज सैंड पार्टिकल. देखो जो सॉइल लूज सैंड पार्टिकल्स की बनती है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? ह्यूमस. ह्यूमस इज द डेड एंड डिकेड parts of plants and animal. It adds to the fertility to the soil. What is humus? Humus is the dead and decay plants. And what it's add fertility to the soil. There are many types of soil. All soil are not equally fertile. Some which are near the river side are more fertile because river deposit fertile particles into that area. देखो हर एक soil जो है वो fertile नहीं होती है. ठीक है, the river which is situated near the sea, ठीक है, they are more fertile. वो ज़्यादा fertile होती है and they are good for growing different crop. क्योंकि जो डिपॉजिट होता है फर्टाइल पार्टिकल्स का वो क्या होता है इनटू दैट एरिया वो ज़्यादा होता है. फर्स्ट इज एलुवियल सॉइल, मोस्ट फर्टाइल सॉइल सुटेबल फॉर ग्रोइंग ऑलमोस्ट ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉप, जैसे कि आपका जूट, व्हीट, वेजिटेबल, सीड. ठीक है, इट्स अ वेरी फर्टाइल सॉइल. वी ग्रो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ऑल टाइप ऑफ क्रॉप. डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्रॉप भी आप उगा सकते हो, जैसे आप जूट, व्हीट, वेजिटेबल, सीड. These are the crops that we grow in the alluvial soil. Next is black soil, which is best suited for cotton. हम black soil में कौन सा crop उगाते हैं? Cotton. Black soil is more suited to grow cotton crop. Now agriculture, it is another resource of India. देखो जो more than 2/3 of the Indian population है, they are dependent upon agriculture. वो किस पे depend है? Agriculture पे या फिर growing crop. The art of cultivation of land to grow crop is called agriculture. देखो जो art है जिसमें हम कल्टिवेशन करते हैं लैंड की क्रॉप को उगाने के लिए, उसको क्या कहा जाता है? इट इज नोन एज एग्रीकल्चर. इट इज द बैकबोन ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी. इट गिव्स अस फूड. देखो जो हम खाना खा रहे हैं ये आपको कहाँ से मिल रहा है? भाई जब फार्मर एग्रीकल्चर कर रहे हैं, क्रॉप उगा रहे हैं, तभी को क्या मिल रहा है? फूड होता है. तो इसलिए जो एग्रीकल्चर है, इट इज द बैकबोन ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी. एडिशनल अमाउंट ऑफ फूड इज ग्रोन टू एक्सपोर्ट टू अदर कंट्री. इट हेल्प्स इन अर्निंग मनी. ये हमें मनी भी अर्न. भाई आप किसी कंट्री को बेच रहे हैं तो आपको पैसा देगा उस चीज का समय, तो आप क्या कर रहे हो? अर्न भी कर रहे हो. नाउ व्हीट, राइस, शुगर, पल्सेस, वेजिटेबल्स आर सम ऑफ द मेन क्रॉप्स ऑफ इंडिया. ठीक है, आपका व्हीट हो गया, राइस हो गया, शुगर केन हो गया, पल्सेस हो गया, वेजिटेबल्स हो गया. व्हाट आर दे? दे आर द मेन क्रॉप ऑफ इंडिया. टू रेज द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फूड क्रॉप, द गवर्नमेंट हैज लॉन्च्ड द प्रोग्राम ऑफ ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन. भाई आपको प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने क्या करा है? ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन का जो प्रोग्राम है वो चलाया है, वो लॉन्च करा है. वी ऑल्सो हैव बिग रिसोर्सेज ऑफ कैटल. वी रियर काउज, बफेलो, गोट्स फॉर मिल्क एंड शीट, हॉर्स एंड डंकी फॉर अदर वर्क. देखो हम का हो गया, बफेलो हो गया, गोट, इनको क्यों रेयर करते हैं? मिल्क देता. वहीं अगर हम बात करें शीप, हॉर्सेज, इनको भी हम क्या करते हैं? रेयर कर लिया. ठीक है, फॉर डिफरेंट पर्पज. The program of White Revolution. White was launched. It was launched to increase the productivity of milk. भाई white है, white क्या milk क्या होता है? White होता है. तो white revolution किसके लिए था? To increase the production of milk. Apart from these, we have poultry farms where hens and ducks are reared for. इसके अलावा हमारे पास पोल्ट्री फार्म्स होते हैं जहाँ पे डग्स और हैन को रियर करा जाता है. किसके लिए? एग के लिए. What they gives us? They gives us egg. Products that we get from agriculture are in raw form. We process them into a finished and usable form in industry. For example, we grow cotton crop in the soil and then the cotton is used to make cloth, bedsheet. देखो जो प्रोडक्ट हमें एग्रीकल्चर से मिलता है वो रो फॉर्म में मिलता है. देन वी टेक इट टू इंडस्ट्रीज. ठीक है, और उसको हम फिनिश गुड में तैयार करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कॉटन क्रॉप. कॉटन क्रॉप को आपने उगाई, सबको कॉटन मिली. कॉटन मिली तो कॉटन से आपने क्या यार्न करे? क्लोथ्स, कॉटन क्लोथ्स या फिर बेडशीट बने. ठीक है, वी यूज देम फॉर डिफरेंट पर्पस. India is a big industrial country. We have machines to produce many products. Our machine industries are iron and steel, cotton, textile, petroleum, sugar, paper, and grain. We had many industries in India, like we have iron, steel industry, paper machinery वाली होती है. ठीक है, आपकी शुगर इंडस्ट्रीज हो गई, रेलवे इंडस्ट्री. वी हैव डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज इन इंडिया. Coal and petroleum. What are coal and petroleum? They are precious natural resource that we found on Earth. They are used in household also. ठीक है, हाउसहोल्ड में भी हम इसका यूज करते हैं, फैक्ट्रीज में भी और व्हीकल्स में. What are these? These are precious natural resources. Where they are used? They are used in household, factories, vehicle. And how they are formed? They are formed due to dead and decay animals. जो बहुत सालों पहले, मिलियन ऑफ पहले जो डेड प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स डिके हो गए थे, उससे ये फॉर्म होता है. एंड वेयर इट इज फाउंड? इट इज फाउंड एट द बॉटम ऑफ द सी. Now they are formed due to decay of dead animals and plants. They are formed due to decay of animals and plants million of years. Petroleum is found at the bottom of the sea. And these resources, जो coal and petroleum है, they take long time to form. We should use them very carefully and avoid any wastage. ठीक है, एक तो आपको बहुत लंबे टाइम में फॉर्म होता है, तो आपको इसका जो यूज करना है वो जुडिशियस करना है और केयरफुली करना है, जिससे आप इसको वेस्ट ना कर. ठीक है, रिसोर्सेज टेक लॉन्ग टाइम टू फॉर्म एंड वी हैव टू यूज देम वेरी केयरफुली एंड अवॉइड एनी वेस्टेज, और इसको वेस्ट नहीं करना है. Now every country requires which sources of minerals to grow. India has good deposit of mineral like iron, coal, mica, bauxite. We also deposit of other minerals like zinc, aluminium, silver, and the Deccan Plateau और Central Plateau. Deccan Plateau and Central Plateau are the part, ये दोनों part हैं किसके? Richest in minerals. And Jharkhand is known as mineral state of India. झारखंड को क्या कहा जाता है? It is known as mineral state of India. Next is we use the minerals to make products for use of and to export. Rajasthan and your Karnataka, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, they are the some states which is rich in mineral. देखो why we use minerals to make products या export करने के या उनका use करने के. Now there are some countries like Karnataka, Rajasthan, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. What they are? They are the rich states which are rich in minerals. Now large area of land covered with trees. जो large area है और वो trees से covered है उसको क्या कहा जाएगा? Forest. It is known as forest. Forests are useful to men in more than one way. They are the homes to many wildlife animals. ये home होते हैं wildlife animals के. They provide us wood, paper, gum, honey and important herbs and medicine. They check flood and prevent soil erosion and there are many kinds of forest in India. Different types of forest होते हैं. Evergreen forest, deciduous forests are different forests that we find in India. Evergreen, deciduous, thorny, tidal, hill forest. And the land under the forest is decreasing. Why the land under the forest is decreasing? Because man is cutting trees. Okay, for making industries there, residential areas there. So what they are for their shellfish need, what the man is doing, they're cutting the trees. So the forest cover is decreasing day by day. And we should not destroy forest in plant. And the last is the human resource, which is an important another resource of India, which is second largest population in the world, which is of 10 crores. We have more mouths to feed than amount of food we feed. देखो खाने के लिए लोग ज़्यादा है, प्रोडक्शन क्या है कम है, लेकिन खाने के लिए लोग क्या है ज़्यादा है. तो growing population is not good for a country growth. Family planning should be adopted to control the size of family. What you have to do? You have to adopt family planning. अगर आपको क्या करना है कि आपका जो size of population को control करना है, then you have to start doing family planning. Now, our chapter has been complete. Let's quickly revise what all we have said in this chapter. I have told you about what we use irrigation के लिए और producing electricity के लिए हम किसका use करते हैं? Water. We have said about natural resources. हमने water देखा. Next is soil, and the black soil is best suited for cotton, growing cotton crop. India, it is a big industrial country. We find many industry, coal and petroleum, which is the main important natural resource that we find in India. ठीक है, petroleum जो होता है वो आपको bottom of the sea में मिलता है. And what forest gives us? Forest gives us management. Now let's start with the exercise of the chapter. Take the correct option. First is India is very rich in dash resources. Water resources, soil resources, या air resources. Water resources. Dash is the another important resource of India. Water, soil, river. So, which soil is most suited to grow cotton? That is your sandy soil, black soil, alluvial soil. That is your black soil. Which soil is best for the plant? Sand, gravel या फिर sand. Next is fill in the blanks. Dash is the dead material which makes the soil fertile. What it is? It is a humus. Dash program aims to increase milk production. White revolution. Dash and dash are the two main industries. Dash and dash are the two states rich in mineral deposit. Karnataka and Rajasthan. They are the two main states that is in which rich deposits of minerals are found. Name the following most fertile soil. Alluvial soil, most rich area of India in minerals. That is your Deccan Plateau. Next is state which is richest in mineral. That is Karnataka. Mineral in which India is richest. Mineral बताना है जिसमें India is richest. That is iron. Oh. Most populated country. Next is answer the following. What is humus? What is humus? Humus is the dead and decay parts of plants and animals that make the soil fertile. ये क्या है? Dead and decayed remains plants और and animals है जो ये करता है soil को fertile बनाता है. Name some important crops of India. Crops की बता रहे jute, maize, rice, cereals आप लिख सकते. What is done in factories? What is done in factories? जो आपका रॉ मटेरियल है वो किस में टर्न होता है? फिनिश गुड्स में. गिव 3 यूजेस ऑफ फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्सेज. फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्सेज आर यूज फॉर मेकिंग फर्नीचर, ठीक है, फॉर मेकिंग पेपर, रबर, डिफरेंट थिंग्स वी यूज टू मेक द यूज ऑफ फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्सेज. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.